What's happening with you YouTubers, sneak tubers, family, subscribers, all the above? Hey, I told you I was coming back. If y'all watched my last video that I had to get a package in today. It is Saturday. It is Jordan 13 Olive Day. So if y'all did go cop that, I understand completely. It's not a hype shoe. It's a GR shoe, but it is a dope colorway. Dope colorway. So if you need that colorway in your collection and you copped it, believe me, all sneakerheads understand it was a dope shoe to me. But anyways, got a package in. I already cut it open because I got to go to work. So wanted to get this out to y'all. So I would have a video up for this weekend or this Saturday. This shoe sold out. This is a crazy cop, man. As y'all see, it's a 6-box, by the way. Yeah, where you at? Yeah. 6-box. Black University Blue, Air Jordan 6. You already know what it is. The UNC 6s. I was able to cop these for retail, man. And these actually restocked on Finish Line. And my boy Rob hit me up. Rob did hit me up. I was at work or I was asleep. One of the two. And they restocked on Finish Line. I wasn't able to get there. By the time I got there, they only had sizes 8 through 10 left. So just my luck. But I was able to cop from a seller on eBay. Luckily, he had a double-up pair, and I was able to cop. He let me get one of his pairs for retail. So can't go wrong with retail. Here's the box. You've seen Jordan 6 boxes all day. Jumpman. Let's get into it. Whew. I slept on this shoe, and the reason for sleeping on the shoe was, oh yes sir, yes sir, yes indeed. And he left his little card in here. And he bought from the goat out. So, so through it all, it's actually my first cop through the goat out, man. Check it out. There's the goat out. And you know, normally you have the goat wrap around the box. He took all that off, but there's the goat out. And there's the back of the card. So, it's a cop from goat. And he did say he copped it from goat, too, because he wanted to get him early. But, dope shoe, man. I had slept on the shoe originally. And the reason for me sleeping on the shoe, because I thought they weren't going to sell out. I thought they were going to actually sit where I could go back and get them later. Because there was so much heat dropping in the month of December last year. But these things are dope. Here they are, UNC 6s. Just wanted to show you that I did get my pair. Of course, we did an early review on these, so I know if you got questions about that, that was Rob's pair. I had to get my pair. I could have copped in. Chose not to because I had a lot to get, including them Grinch things, them green 6s. Had to get them boys first, so yeah. Just want to show you this pair. My pair is in. Nothing much, nothing less. I'm not gonna keep you long. That's it. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Plenty more videos to come. Your boys at work, working hard. I'm finna head in now. But make sure y'all comment down below, man, if you cop these or if you bypass these. To me, it was one of the dopest releases of the year. And it was low rated. It was on a low radar, but they sold out on a low radar. It's crazy, man. This is one of the, I think this was the craziest release of 2017. Comment down below if you agree. But till next time, Sneaker Dishes, Big Mike.